Last week, I published my very first video on this channel, and right at the end of that video, I made a promise. I said that in this video, I'd show you every AI tool I use to create it. The avatar, the voice, the script, the visuals, the editing, everything. So that's exactly what we're doing today. No secrets, no holding back, and most importantly, no pretending these tools are free when they're not. I'm going to show you exactly what I used, what each tool costs, and whether I think they're actually worth paying for. Because if you're thinking about starting an AI-powered YouTube channel or building an online business around content, you deserve the real numbers, not the sales pitch. If you're new here, welcome to AISkillsForBiz. This channel is all about helping non-technical business owners, side hustlers, and everyday people use AI tools to save time and create new income opportunities. Before we jump in, here's what we're covering today. The AI avatar was created using HeyGen. The voice was cloned using 11 Labs. The script was written with ChatGPT. The branding, thumbnail, intro, and outro were built in Canva, and the editing was done inside CapCut. Those are the 5 tools that made my first video possible. So let's start with the one everyone asks about first, the avatar. The first tool is HeyGen. This is the AI avatar platform I used to create the presenter you're watching right now. I created a custom avatar from a single photo and used it to present the entire video. There's a free plan worth testing, but for regular content creation, you'll need the creator plan at £21 per month. For me, it's worth it if you're planning to publish videos consistently. If you want to check it out, you'll find a link in the description along with all the other tools I'm mentioning today. Next is 11 Labs. This is the AI voice tool I used to find my voice for the avatar. I chose a voice in 11 Labs and then used that voice inside HeyGen for the final video. There's a free plan worth testing, but for regular content creation, you'll need the starter plan at £5 per month. This is probably one of the best value tools in the entire stack. The third tool is ChatGPT. This is what I used to write the entire script for video 1. I gave it the right prompt, explained what I wanted the channel to be about, and it produced a complete first draft in under 10 minutes. You could try free plan, but for regular content creation, you'll need ChatGPT Plus at around £20 per month. For me, this is worth every penny because it saves so much time and removes the hardest part of content creation, which is staring at a blank page. Next is Canva. This is the design tool I used for the logo, branding, thumbnail, intro, and outro. Pretty much everything visual for AISkillsForBiz was created inside Canva. You could try a free plan, but for regular content creation, you'll need Canva Pro at £13 per month. If you're not a designer, Canva makes creating professional-looking content much easier. I built the entire brand in a single afternoon. The final tool is CapCut. This is the editing software I used to put everything together and add captions and text overlays. Once the avatar video was generated, CapCut was where I edited the final version. Free plan that is worth testing, but for regular content creation, you'll need the paid version at £21 per month. I'd recommend starting with CapCut because it's a very capable editing tool and easy to learn. However, there are elements of it that were frustrating, but more about those in the next video. Once added everything up, it brings the total to roughly £80 per month. Now here's the question. Is £80 a month worth it? Honestly, that depends on what you're trying to achieve. If you're creating videos as a hobby, maybe not. But if you're building a YouTube channel, growing an audience, promoting a business, or earning commissions from products you genuinely use and recommend, then £80 starts to look very different. One successful piece of content could cover that cost. A handful of monthly referrals could cover that cost. And the skills you're building along the way have value too. I'm not saying everyone should spend £80 a month, but I am saying that when you compare it to many traditional business expenses, it's not an unreasonable investment, especially if you're serious about creating content consistently. To put that in perspective, if just 3 people sign up to 11 Labs through my link this month, that's already covered my 11 Labs subscription for the rest of the year. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use ChatGPT to write a complete video script in under 10 minutes. I'll even show you the exact prompt format I use every single time. If you've ever opened a blank document and had no idea where to start, that video is going to save you a lot of time. And if you want to start creating AI content without staring at a blank page, you're definitely going to want to watch that one. UI. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe. Every week, I'll be sharing honest reviews, real experiments, and practical ways to use AI tools in business. I've also put together a free AI toolkit that you can grab using the link in the description. And you'll find links to all of the tools mentioned in today's video there as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.